Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by changing core control options inside GTA Online. Open Settings, go to Controls, and set targeting mode to Assisted Aim or Classic Aim. Once done, boost aim assist strength where available because the game multiplies stick correction. That helps lock onto targets. Make sure you're using a controller with reliable sticks and optional gyro. Stick drift kills the effect. Practice in free mode or a low-stakes mission to feel how the assist pulls your aim. This calibration step explains why you get consistent hits. Next, refine physical controller inputs to let the aim assist work. Reduce dead zone until you see minor drift, then slightly increase to eliminate it. This ensures the system interprets intended stick movement. Once calibrated, lower overall sensitivity for steady tracking, or bump it slightly for flick shots. The right balance matches your playstyle. Additionally, always use ADS in combat because aim assist is stronger when you're scoped or aiming down sights. This explains why tweaking hardware and sensitivity matters to targeting performance. Finally, adopt tactics that maximize assist. Peek from cover and fire in short ADS bursts so the system relocks between shots, improving hit consistency. Make sure to avoid long-range fights where aim assist drops off. Switch to free aim or a scope with higher magnification for those encounters. If aim feels erratic, restart your session, recalibrate dead zone and sensitivity, or rebind the aim button. These troubleshooting steps fix common input or session glitches and get your assist working reliably again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.